In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to use Messenger chatbots for your online live event on Facebook. If you are an entrepreneur or business owner who is using Facebook Live to get leads, or you're looking for ways on how to turn those viewers eventually into sales, then this video is for you.
Now, let's get into it. Think of any given webinar or masterclass that you had signed up. You probably have underwent into the following steps: a registration page, thank you page, countdown page, a reminder notification page, and you have your live, the replay, follow-ups, and repurposing. So how would you implement these steps for your Facebook Live event? Now let's go back to the very beginning, the registration. You can use a messenger chatbot for the registration. And the number one goal for this bot is for your main call to action, which is for people to sign up for your online event. Nowadays, you see that registration can be done in three ways. One, people can sign up with an email and phone number. Two, sign up just a phone number. And three, sign up using an email address only. And this is all depending on how you do for your business. But what if the person is not comfortable giving out their email address or phone number? They don't know you yet, or they just want to hear first what you'll be talking about and then decide later. Thus, Messenger bot is very helpful for your business because even if the person don't give their email address or phone number, you still have a way to reach out to them after they opt in or subscribe to your Messenger bot. So all they have to do is click that link and they are automatically engaged to the registration bot. And you use that registration bot to your Facebook page using a ref URL link be posted on your announcement. So anyone who clicks that link will be opt-in to the chatbot. Just make sure that at the back end, each subscriber has been tagged and segmented accordingly based on their interest of your Facebook Live topic. After that, we got our thank you bot, which will be sent automatically after they register. This bot will have options to share a freebie such as a free workbook. And you can also have the option to share this event with their friends in Facebook. Or you can put a question there, how can I help you? Or you can give them an extra content to read or watch while waiting for you to go live. Then typically in a webinar, there is a countdown page. And you use this when the person gets into the webinar early. For Facebook Live, you can put the link of that broadcast announcement with the countdown of your scheduled live event. This will help create a buzz for your upcoming live event, which will help you with your Facebook algorithm. Next we have is the reminder notification. This bot will send out broadcast reminders to those who registered for your Facebook live event. Next is the actual live. You can use a messenger chatbot during live using the ManyChat comment growth tool. This bot will give auto response to any viewers who will type their comment using a keyword. That keyword will be set up at the back end, and it's up to you how you would like the bot to respond. It can respond to a specific question, or you can deliver your freebie based on the keyword that has been triggered when the viewers made a comment during your live. Next is the replay bot. This will send out the replay to all those who previously engaged with your messenger chatbot. This will give you now the idea that this specific person is interested in your product or on what you have talked about on your online webinar or masterclass. With this, it helps those cold leads to become your warm leads. And this replay bot will be using the same strategy like the live. So when you send out that bot, you will lead them to the live webinar or event that you had, and anyone that can make a comment on that replay can also trigger the key. During the follow-up, you are reaching out to those who have previously interacted with the bot for this particular Facebook Live event. You can remind them about the replay or a freebie that's available to them, or you can simply ask them a question or ask them of how you can help them. I highly recommend that you make this follow-up messenger chatbot have the ability to capture an email address or SMS for text follow-up. But please don't be annoying to your bot subscribers because that's not good marketing. You definitely would like your messenger chatbot subscribers to have the best experience. Also come to mind that there are Facebook policies in place, and these policies restrict you to send out messages on certain time periods that are promotional. You can Google about those policies. So just keep that in mind. And you may have to end up paying to send promotional messages depending on when your users or subscribers last talk with your messenger bot. Next is an optional bot that you would like to use, which is repurposing. This type of messenger chatbot will lead those Facebook Live audience to a landing page or your blog to read further information about that live topic or the transcript of the show. This can be your opportunities to know them better about their interests, and also you can ask them for your email address if in case opportunities comes for further tutorial on the same topic. So now you see the overall layout of how to use Messenger bot for your Facebook Live event. And the one of the many motivations of using the Messenger chatbot is for you to have the ability to reach out to your audience that provides less friction. You don't have to ask for email address or phone number in case that they don't know you yet. This would help you to warm up those cold leads and lead to a conversion of a sale, also increase your number of customers, and ultimately allow you to follow up to grow and scale your business. Yet, don't forget to make sure to give your customers the best experience using the Messenger chatbot. To know more about Messenger chatbot, check on the link below for a demonstration and also for free resources.